Hey y'all, Ari from the Tech Buyers Guru here. I'm out for my first flight with the Hobbyzone Aeroscout. All right, I'm gonna take this up. I just gotta pop the canopy open, plug in my battery, make sure my radio's on first. Okay. Check it out. Is it bound yet? There it goes. It's doing an auto test. All right, we're good. Got my motor disarmed, which is the right thing to do at this point. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking it off this way. You're gonna see it take off. Now, I've tried this a couple times already today, so I know that it needs some space to take off. This is not a short takeoff and landing. So here we go. All right, up there you could probably confuse this for a real plane once it gets pretty far away. And there are a lot of spectators here enjoying the scene. So I'm out over the water right now, but this plane is so docile that I'm really not too worried about it. I guess you could lose control of it, but it doesn't suddenly surprise you in any way. So I'm going to bring it down back towards us. I'm going to cut the throttle actually and show you how this thing glides. It's not the fastest plane in the world. It has a pretty small prop, and it's a pusher prop. So it does take a while to take off, as you saw. But it glides really, really well. You know, it's pretty light for its wingspan. This is all gliding. The motor's off. Been off for, I don't know, 30 seconds.
When is it going to come back to us?
So there's a little wind up there. Probably more wind up there than there is down here at ground level. So it's catching some wind.
Can we fly in the wind?
You can fly in no wind too. Now see, as I get lower, it starts to lose a little altitude, so I'll give it some throttle. I do have a lot of folks around here, so I gotta kind of stay clear of humans. I'll take it back out over the water. That's full speed. So it really can't get away from you too fast. So I cut the throttle again, and I'm going to bring it down. I'm not going to do any stunts with this plane. It's not the most agile plane, but it's really, really docile, really friendly to fly for beginners. So I'm going to bring it down.
The water?
No, we're not going to land in the water. I'm landing into the wind here. So I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle, flare it a little bit, and there we go. All right, here we go one more time. Now, like I said, it's not the most agile plane. It doesn't feel like my Valiant at all, but it does feel very, very easy to fly. This is a great beginner plane, and as I said in my introductory video on this plane, it's a great step up from a UMX microplane because it's just as easy to fly, and it costs about the same. And it's nearly as easy to transport because it comes apart so easily, and yet you do get the experience of flying a much bigger plane, a more powerful plane. Feels more like a real plane. All right, I'm going to bring it down again. Is it going to crash? Hopefully it won't crash. Floating like this really extends the runtime as well. I've only been at throttle for like 7 minutes and I've been flying for a really long time. There's your landing. Lands so well, so easy to fly. All right, I'm Ari from the Tech Buyers Guru. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. And the funny thing is, I can even pilot it on the ground. Let me see if I can drive it back here. Whoa! I'll cut that out of the video.